That sound, it's pure nostalgia. But what if you could have it on demand, right in your own home? The problem is, with so many options from cheap mini cabinets to full-size monsters, it's easy to waste thousands. After filling my own game room, I'm breaking down the 5 home arcade machines that deliver the most authentic fun for your money. The number 1 machine on this list is an absolute multiplayer masterpiece. Starting at number 1. Arcade 1-Up Class of 81-foot Deluxe Arcade Machine. Best overall arcade machine. At every skate rink, laser tag arena, and pizza palace, this arcade machine has reliably been there, ready to play with just a few quarters. The Ms. Pac-Man and Galaga combination is second to none when it comes to replayable fun, while the exterior design provides all the same nostalgia and 80s beauty. The LCD screen offers a clearer, smoother picture than the original models, while the internal program offers a total of 12 games from the early 80s boom. This includes Dig Dug, Rompers, Rally X, and even the second iteration to the classic, Galaga 88. As a start to your collection, very few arcade machines give as much. Number 2. Arcade 1-Up Big Buck Hunter Pro Deluxe Arcade Machine. Best for dive bar enthusiasts. Relive the glory days at your local honky-tonk dive bar by taking home the true cornerstone of every great local establishment, Big Buck Hunter. This arcade machine comes with more than just the average hunting experience. In fact, you can track down wild animals across 4 different Big Buck games all on the same device. What has always made Big Buck Hunter games so popular is how interactive the gameplay is. Instead of traditional joysticks, buttons, or wireless video game controllers, users pick up a classic hunting rifle and head straight into the woods. This version of the game is no exception, as both Player 1 and Player 2 have their own respective rifles in different colors. The arcade cabinet comes loaded with Big Buck Hunter Pro, Big Buck Safari, Big Buck Hunter Open Season, and Big Buck Safari Outback. Number 3. Arcade 1-Up Pac-Man Deluxe Arcade Machine. Best classic design. When you picture an arcade machine in your head, it almost certainly has Pac-Man playing on the screen. This arcade machine takes the classic game and gives it the exterior design it deserves. This arcade machine comes with 14 different games programmed in. Alongside Pac-Man, the system comes with multiple sequels and improvements like Pac-Man Plus, Super Pac-Man, and Pac-Mania. It also comes with several other games like Galaga, Dig Dug, and Rolling Thunder. The front display also comes with a full set of instructions and point values, so even beginners can hop on the machine and start racking up high scores. Number 4. Arcade 1-Up Pac-Man Arcade Machine. Best classic arcade table. Sit down and get comfortable for hours of head-to-head arcade action with this Pac-Man table, loaded up with 12 titles including Galician, Super Pac-Man, Pac-and-Pal, and Rolling Thunder, plus Dig Dug and Dig Dug 2. The arcade machine features a 17-inch color LCD screen and speakers with adjustable volume on both players' sides, along with clear panels on the top and control decks. Similar to other arcade 1-Up options, this cocktail table arcade machine can be used to hold, as the name suggests, cocktails. Feel free to place your drink on top of it without interfering with gameplay. Any spills will also be safe, with a protective, spill-proof top keeping all important hardware away from liquids. Number 5. Doc and Pie's Arcade Factory Classic Bartop Home Arcade Machine. Best Bartop Arcade Machine. Small enough to place on a countertop or desk, but still built a full-size 19-inch screen. This Bartop arcade machine offers the best of both worlds. The small size of the arcade machine makes it one of the few options that can be easily placed anywhere in your home. The Bartop arcade comes with a full exterior theme from the original Donkey Kong. Beyond avoiding barrels, the machine offers just about everything. Each of these Bartop arcade machines comes with 60 different classic games, so you'll never run out of new high scores to chase. So, there's your blueprint. From the perfect conversation starter to the ultimate all-in-one beast, your dream home arcade is within reach. To help you start your collection, every single machine we talked about is linked down in the video description. If this tour gave you a serious case of arcade envy, power up that like button, share this with your high score rival, and subscribe for more ways to level up your game room. Game on!